Okay, so let's try one that has something like this. Okay, there's a 3 out front. So that means 3 times the square root of 40. Okay, well, let's just write 3 and let's take care of inside of the square root. Let's prime factor 40. 40, 4 times 10. 4 is 2 times 2, and 10 is 2 times 5. So I can write this as the square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Guess what? Guys coming in. Any pairs in there? Yep, I got a pair of 2s. Okay, come on out. Make a set with those. Does the other 2 come out? No, it doesn't have a match, and that 5 doesn't have a match. So we're just multiply them back together, and that becomes 2 square root 10. What's inside that parenthesis? Well, it already had a 3 out front, so 3 times 2, you don't multiply under the radical. It's kind of like jail, kind of like absolute value. You cannot multiply through that radical, but the 3 can multiply the 2 and call it 6 square root 10. So if there's a number that already pre-exists, you just go ahead and multiply it by whatever pulls you get to pull out from inside the radical. I want to show some that have variables. Okay, so let's try 45 x to the 4th, y to the 7th. You're like, whoa, numbers. The letters are easy, guys. When it says x to the 4th, that means you take the base, x, times itself 4 times. This is x to the 4th. 4 x's. Okay? The y to the 7th, guess what it equals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness, we got 7 y's. That's what that means, y to the 7th. But the 45, we have to prime factor. We have to know that's 5 times 9. 5 is primed, 9 is not. 9 is 3 times 3. So now I can write this as 3 times 3 times 5 times x, 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 x. Just got to spread them out. And the y's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, guess what they're going to ask? Any pairs in there? Okay, so if you got a pair that match, ooh, I got a match set. All right, bring them out. Cross them off as you go. Put a times in between if you pull out more than one thing. Okay, the 5 does not come out. It's stuck behind. It doesn't have a partner. But x, there's 2 x's. Okay, come out, make the x family. Oh, I got another pair of x's. Okay, write another x then. How about the y's? There's one. There's another one. Here's another one. Okay, this guy doesn't have a partner, so he's stuck behind. So I'm going to write square root again. 5 and y got stuck underneath. Now, you multiply all of this back together. If there are several numbers, you'd multiply all the numbers. But in this case, there was only one, but there are 2 x's. That's x squared. 3 y's is y to the 3rd. So this would be my answer for 45 x to the 4th, y to the 7th.